Well, a good Monday afternoon to you. It's Dan. I want to welcome everyone to my home in the sticks. I hope everybody's having a good Monday, and I hope everybody had a sure enough happy and safe Christmas. But over here in East Central Mississippi, I'm here to tell you, 76 degrees over here today. Before we get started on today's video, I'm always going to say that if you're new to the channel, I want to welcome you. And if you're returning just to see what old Dan's got going on over her, I sure enough thank you for coming back. But what I want to share with you and y'all today is, Lord of mercy, I'm about sick of this weather. Give me a second and we fitting to talks about it. Dan, is the weather that bad in East Central Mississippi? Well, I'm here to tell you it's not that bad, but it's not that good, considering we've had 2 weeks of unseasonably hot weather. And when I say hot weather, I mean 75 and above, when actually we should be in the low 40s, high 50s right now. So it causes a really big problem, not just for me, but for other folks in this area, especially my apple trees. I went up there and I looked at the apple trees, and I actually have some new sprouts, because for the last 2 weeks it's just been warm. So trees over here are thinking, okay, is it springtime yet? So yeah, let's start putting off some new growth. When actually I'm gonna lose all of those new sprouts, because I'm pretty sure that it is gonna freeze over here in East Central Mississippi. I'm pretty sure of that. Let's walk down here to one of my pastures and I'll show you something else. What I have right here, and it grows all over the place over here on the farm, is wild green onions, and that's these guys right here. We call them wild green onions. You could actually cook with these if you needed to. They smell just like green onions, taste like them too. But normally this stuff starts to come out during the springtime. And I'm here to tell you, when you go to cutting the grass out here and you roll over these wild green onions, your eyes will get to watering. But these guys normally come up during the springtime. So I'm wondering if these guys are thinking, hey, it's springtime, when actually we somewhat in winter. We haven't had a show enough winter yet. So this is just strange to see. Here are my Chinese privets. These guys were bare about a month ago, but they're starting to put off new flowers because it's been so warm. So I hate seeing that, because I'm going to lose all of these guys probably in the next couple of weeks, month or so. All this stuff is going to be frozen over. Here's a really good one right here. This is my mulberry bush, and look at that new shoot popping up. It's been so warm, it's like, oh boy, maybe it's time for me to put off new shoots and start growing. And I hate to see that, because this is going to die back again. So the weather over here has just been extremely odd. It's almost to the point where it's scary, because I know that we're going to get a really, really bad freeze soon enough. And we're actually expecting some really bad weather tomorrow and Wednesday. So that's going to be something else as well. But the overall gist of this video is the weather. How is the weather where you and y'all are at? Are y'all having unseasonable weather where you're at? And I'm sure everybody else is as well. But it's just really, really odd for East Central Mississippi. At least my onions are starting to grow. So that's what I wanted to share with you and y'all today. Just give y'all a little look at what's going on over here at the home in the sticks, weather-wise, and what everything is doing or growing that shouldn't be growing, should I say. But I guess it is what it is. Hopefully the weather that's moving in Tuesday and Wednesday won't be too bad. It's starting to cloud up really good now. But they putting us at a risk level of 2, which may have some possible tornadoes that spin off and some extremely high winds. So keep my fingers crossed that it's not that bad, because high winds over here at the home of the sticks is not a good thing. I'm here to tell you. So again, I hope everybody's having a show enough good Monday, and I hope everybody stays safe this week amid this crisis that we still have going on. If y'all like this video, go and give it a thumbs up, they help. If you haven't subscribed to the Home and Sticks channel, Lord of mercy, y'all need to come on over here and give old Dan a look, because I'm always doing stuff in the warm weather in December. With that being said, you know it's coming Dan reference, sure enough, always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. And I mean nobody, you sure enough get your shine on, it's important. And Dan will see you and y'all in the next video.